Today we'll be going over the installation of North Hitch part number X7908 on a Ford F-250. Begin by removing the license plate from the factory license plate bracket. Remove and discard the plastic plate bracket. Next, remove and discard the 3 plastic push pins holding the cover panel to the front bumper. Remove the front bumper electrical harness by unclipping the hardware, securing it to the front bumper. Remove the 4 nuts holding the brackets to each frame rail. Discard both brackets and all factory hardware. For the next step, please refer to page 7 in the instructions for mounting hole locations. Insert the coil end of the supplied bolt fisher into hole C and guide it through the opening of the frame rail towards the front of the truck. Attach a bolt, star washer, and plate washer to the fisher and pull until the hardware sits inside the frame rail but is not protruding through the hole. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the truck. You may now raise the hitch between the frame rails and place the wire end of the bolt fisher through hole C on both side plates. Lift the hitch into place and pull the fisher until the bolt protrudes from the hitch side plate. Remove the fisher and hand tighten a flat washer, split washer, and nut onto the bolt. Using the bolt fisher, guide a bolt and star washer through the frame and into hole A. Secure the bolt with a flat washer, split washer, and nut. Repeat this step on hole B. Next, insert the bolt fisher through hole D and out the front of the frame rail. Attach a bolt, star washer, and plate washer and pull the assembly through the frame and out hole D. Secure with 1 flat washer, split washer, and nut. Repeat the previous steps on the opposite side of the hitch. With all hardware in place, torque to the specifications recommended in the instructions. Next, use the supplied zip ties to secure the cover panel and electrical harness around the hitch crossmember. Your North Hitch installation is now complete. If needed, your hitch is also supplied with a license plate bracket that secures to the receiver as shown.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.